everyone, today we are going to discuss Gauss law, which is very important for 12th, 11th and Bsc student. Before starting, we have to know about electric flux. So what is electric flux? Basically, electric flux is total number of electric field lines are passing through a closed surface is called electric flux. Right? If there is a closed surface and the charge is let Q, which is plus Q, right? So the electric field will be outward. So the total electric field or the sum of the total electric field lines are passing through the closed surface is called electric flux, right? So in Gauss law states that how we find the electric flux in a closed surface. So let's start. Gauss law, many teachers says Gauss's law. The total electric flux passing over a closed surface. Passing over a closed surface in vacuum is 1 upon epsilon naught times, right, of the total charge inside the surface. Inside the surface. Okay, so basically Gauss law states that if there is a closed surface and the total charge is Q, right? So the total electric flux will be the ratio of total charge upon epsilon naught, right? So electric flux we can represent phi. So net phi is equal to total charge by epsilon naught, where epsilon naught is a constant, right? So the epsilon naught value equal to 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 centimeter square, coulomb square per Newton meter square, right? We can write equal to closed integral of E vector and ds vector equal to q by epsilon naught, right? So let me prove this law. Okay. If there is a closed surface and plus q charge inside the closed surface, right? So the radius of the surface is r, right? So the electric field is will be upward because there is a positive charge, right? If there is positive charge, the electric field direction will upward. If a negative charge, the electric field direction is inward, right? So this electric field, right? If we consider a small area which is ds, now the direction of ds is also same as electric field, right? Because the direction of area is always perpendicular to the electric field, right? So the angle between ds and E vector is 0 degree, right? So we know electric field have one formula, E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r square, right? So let's prove. So closed integral of E vector in ds vector, right? Why we take closed integral of C? Many children can't understand why we take closed integral. So this symbol is represent closed integral, and the integration symbol, why we take integration symbol? Because there is small distance, so we have to count sum of the all electric flux. So we take closed integral, right? We take closed surface, right? So we should take closed integral equal to, if we open the product or vector sign, we can write E ds cos theta, and we can write E ds cos 0 degree, because we know the angle between E vector and ds vector equal to 0 degree, right? So cos 0 degree equal to 1, right? And after that there is E is constant, so we write in outside of integral ds, right? Equal to the value of E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r square into total area of the closed surface will be 4 pi r square, right? So 4 pi r cancel, r square cancel, we will get q by epsilon naught. Hence proved, right? So basically Gauss law states that how we find electric field in a closed surface, right? The electric flux in a closed surface. So total electric flux of passing in over a closed surface will be equal to, is always the ratio of total charge or per epsilon naught. Epsilon naught basically is a constant which value is 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square, right? So Thanks for watching. Tata, take care. I love you.